Hi everyone, welcome back to Adventure 365, the channel that's going places. Little short video for you. It's a gorgeous sunny day and it's the perfect time to do it. I'm going to rust proof Beryl before she goes for her MOT. Now I'm going to use the Lanoguard Automotive spray. Now I'm not sponsored by Lanoguard, but I love this stuff. I think it's great. It goes on so easy, and more importantly than that, it's easy to clean off. You use a citrus degreaser and you can clean it all off. So in the future, if there's anywhere that does need, welding or work doing, we can actually strip it off, unlike wax oil. I hate that stuff. It rusts underneath and I just don't have any joy with it. Some people say it's brilliant, and that, everyone to their own, but I love this. What you get with it as well, you get the Lanoguard grease. This stuff is amazing. This is really, really good. But you buy a kit, you get that and you get this. So little short video, like I said, and I'll just show you how to apply this. So we're out at the truck. An application is dead easy. You take your applicator, which is a spray, and you just spray it on. And it's as simple as that. I'm not going to film spraying this on because it'll get all over my camera and I'm going to get suited up to do it. But it's just so easy, and one of the benefits of it is it's environmentally friendly as well, because it's a natural product. And one of the other things I've found with it, if you get a brand new set of steel wheels, if you spray it into the seams when you get your wheels, it stops your wheels rusting as well. So that's an even bigger bonus. I did Heimdall's, trying to think, nearly three years ago. Still no rust on them, so I'm really happy with that. So Lanoguard, this is my top tip for the day. So like I said, it's going to be a short video and that's it. So thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.